QT4-18 Simple Automatic Block Making Machine is a hot-selling block machine line. It makes different blocks or bricks under different block molds. The block mold is changeable. The block machine line is simple but automatic. Its price is wallet-friendly. It is fit for middle and small investors. We're starting complete block factory.